Hi, dear all. In today's lesson, I disclose 3 steps of image generation, editing of the created image and create variation in the generated image. So keep in touch until we reach the end point. Image generation. Learn how to generate or manipulate images with DALL-E models. Generations. The image generations endpoint allows you to create an original image given a text prompt. Generated images can have a size of 256x256, 512x512, or 1024x1024 pixels. Smaller sizes are faster to generate. You can request 1 to 10 images at a time using the n parameter. So write the following Python code. The more detailed the description, the more likely you are to get the result that you or your end user want. You can explore the examples in the DALL-E preview app for more prompting inspiration. Edits. Here you can edit the created image. The image edits endpoint allows you to edit and extend an image by uploading a mask. The transparent areas of the mask indicate where the image should be edited, and the prompt should describe the full new image, not just the erased area. This endpoint can enable experiences like the editor in DALL-E preview app. The uploaded image and mask must both be square PNG images less than 4 MB in size, and also must have the same dimensions as each other. The non-transparent areas of the mask are not used when generating the output, so they don't necessarily need to match the original image like the example above. Variations. The image variations endpoint allows you to generate a variation of a given image. Similar to the edits endpoint, the input image must be a square PNG image less than 4 MB in size. The link is https://platform.openai.com/apps.